we're going to breeze right through this, go through probably to the end of lesson 2 with you. Easiest thing to do here is you just have to be careful how you read this. So fish is adventurous and wants to meet new creatures in the sea. Add another sprite to the fish tank. The sprite can have any costume other than the one you use for your fish. So simply all you have to do is go to sprite and you want to make a new one. And then you can play around with the location, but you don't necessarily need to. And it's really just that. You just need to have 2 items in the tank and it lets you pass. So we're going to continue on to lesson 2, number 8. So in lesson 2, number 8, we have the same thing that we had before, and now we need to add a behavior and watch them go. So you can just go to behaviors, and here, let's do swimming left and right. Sorry, I'm going to do it the other way. We need to choose which sprite does it, so we're going to choose our fish, and then we're going to go to swimming left and right. Try that. And now they're swimming back and forth, and we can continue. Which brings us to number 9. So basically they're letting you have free roam here, so you've added a lot of new blocks to the toolbox. Play with them to make your fish tank special, so you guys can do pretty much anything you want here. You can change behaviors. Some of these are actually kind of funny. Here, like growing is one of the good ones. So throw that in there, and now the fish will get bigger, and you can keep growing until it takes over the entire screen. But you can also do things like in the behaviors list, like when they touch each other. Was that an event? Yeah. So when the fish touches the, I guess it's a tumbleweed. When the fish touches the tumbleweed, and then we have to think, well, what are we going to have them do? And let's do, we'll do stops everything. So put that on the tumbleweed. So see how the tumbleweed is turning, the fish is growing, and based on the code I have here, when the fish finally touches, which it thinks it already did, the tumbleweed will stop spinning. So it seems to touch it sooner than I thought it would, but yeah, I mean, you get the idea. So, and then you can add in all sorts of stuff here. But play around with it. You can play with remove the color, you can change the color, they just want you to explore what they've given you here. So when you're done with that, you can just click finish. And we're going to continue on, and that gets us through the end of lesson 2. So I'll start you on lesson 3 because, well, no, I'm going to leave that for later. Because this is a predictions thing. And the video. When you get towards the end of lesson 3, you may run into trouble, but just let me know. Alright, good luck.